Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are going to be taking a tour through New Kingston, Jamaica. Now New Kingston is one of the busiest places in Jamaica, and it's also the major financial hub or center in Jamaica. So we are on Trafalgar Road and we are going to be going on to Knutsford Boulevard and taking a tour through New Kingston. So on the right is the British High Commission, which is the British Embassy in Jamaica. They just call it a High Commission. So this is the intersection with Knutsford Boulevard now. So we're going to be turning left and going on to Knutsford Boulevard. So straight ahead is the head office for JPS, Jamaica Public Service Company. They actually own the building, and below it on the ground floor is Scotia Bank. They have a branch called it Scotia New Kingston. On the left is NCB. They have a branch, and that's what they call 1 to 7 Knutsford Boulevard. So you're going to find every bank, every fast food chain, every insurance company, every major business player in Jamaica has a location here. So we just passed Tasty, GMMB Bank, GK General Insurance, and CIBC are all on the left. On the right is the Sutherland building. That building is used for a call center. And a lot of the office space in New Kingston is used for call centers, or what they call the BPO, business process outsourcing. Okay, on the left is the Victoria Mutual building. That's also their head office, the VM building. Straight ahead now is the Sagicor Sigma building on the left. It used to be the Citibank building. On the right is the Pan Caribbean building, that white building. And this is Knutsford Boulevard. So on the left is Starbucks Coffee, then you have Carib Cash, then you have Pizza Hut, Island Grill, Burger King. Then this used to be, well, Citibank has well, that used to be the Citibank building. I don't know if their branch is still over there, but here's Juicy Patties, and then some other restaurants, and then you have the G&M Money Shop. Very, very busy place during the week. Okay, so we're now going to turn left onto Trinidad Terrace. And you're going to notice that a lot of these roads, almost all the roads, are named after Caribbean countries. So Trinidad Terrace. Okay, so over here now is what used to be the Wyndham Hotel, but it was bought up by the Courtly Group and it's being refurbished to open up under the Courtly name. So on the left is Treasure Hunt. It's a casino. It's like they're not, maybe they are still open. Okay, so a lot of business places on the left. On the right is the same Courtly Hotel or the Wyndham that they're renovating, and they're expanding it at the back. They seem to be building more rooms. So now we're going to turn left onto St. Lucia Avenue. And on the right is the ICII building, insurance company, ICII Group, corporate offices. On the left is a parking lot. So as you can imagine, with so many business places, so many buildings, offices, parking is a major problem in New Kingston. Well, not a major problem, but it can be expensive. So you have a lot of places where you have parking lots. So on the right is another one, and you have to pay to use these parking lots. So on the left now, where you see these cars, they are actually illegally parked because there's a yellow line, which means no parking. But I don't think they tow cars anymore from New Kingston. I haven't seen a record in New Kingston in years. But the yellow line used to mean no parking. I'm not sure what it means now or when it changed, but it used to be the yellow line meant no parking, and if you park there you'd get towed. Okay, so this is Barbados Avenue we're on now, and we're going over or across Knutsford Boulevard, and we're staying on Barbados Avenue. Notice the names: Trinidad Terrace, St. Lucia Avenue, Barbados Avenue, and straight ahead we're going to be going on to Grenada Crescent. Alright, so we're going to go on to Grenada Crescent now. And a lot of the roads in New Kingston are one-ways. However, this road, Grenada Crescent, is actually a two-way road. Alright, so this is now the intersection with Knutsford Boulevard. And you guys saw that car just running the red light just because they could not wait. And it's actually a company vehicle to make things even worse. So you know how that looks on the company. Alright, so if we turn left, we take Knutsford Boulevard up to Trafalgar Road. If we turn right, we take Knutsford Boulevard down to Oxford Road. And if we go straight, we stay on Grenada Crescent. Now that building straight ahead out the blue glass, that used to be the Island Life Mall, but it's now the Courtney Corporate Center. And that was a very nice mall at the time, very modern. Alright guys, thanks for taking a tour with us. Remember to like, share and subscribe. Have a good day.